In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how to level the ground before pouring concrete for your small project so you don't end up with a wonky slab or cracking mess. Getting that base right is super important because it keeps your concrete solid and looking sharp, plus saves you from headaches later on. First off, you want to clear the area of any grass, roots, or debris because that stuff can mess with your concrete settling properly. Next, grab a shovel and start digging out the topsoil until you hit firm ground. Usually, you want at least 4 to 6 inches of space for your gravel base and concrete. After that, put down a layer of crushed gravel or stone, about 3 to 4 inches thick, and compact it good using a hand tamper or plate compactor. This gives you a stable foundation that drains water well. Then, use a long straight board or a level to screed the gravel so it's nice and even across the whole area. Don't rush this part because leveling here makes all the difference. Once your base is compacted and flat, lay out wooden stakes around the perimeter and stretch string between them to mark your final concrete height so you know exactly where to pour. Double check your strings with a level to make sure everything is perfectly horizontal. If you spot any low spots, add more gravel and compact it again until smooth. Lastly, wet the base just a little before pouring concrete. Too much water will weaken the slab, but a tiny bit helps with adhesion. One of the biggest mistakes I see is skipping the gravel base and pouring concrete right on dirt or grass that's asking for cracks and sinking later on. Another common issue is not compacting the gravel enough. If it's loose, your concrete won't have proper support. Also, people often forget to check their level after setting the strings, so their slab ends up sloping or uneven. The fix? Take your time prepping the ground, don't rush compaction, and always double check your measurements with a level before pouring. If you're looking for pros to help with any part of your project, bighomeprojects.com is a solid place to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself, it's an easy way to connect with homeowners ready to get work done without all the hassle of hunting clients.